Hello guys, I have these old coins, but I don't know where to sell these old coins. I have 1939, 1942, 44, 45, and 1950s, 51, 53, 54, 55, and 1960s up to 1980s, and also have a 1990s with letter D. Okay, those who can see these coins, if you want to buy the old coins, you can call me in my messenger. Thank you.